Sexy Welding people from YouTube. How you guys doing? Hope you guys having a good day. Before we start this video, guys, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, so you can get a notification every time I upload a new video. Also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Alright guys, so Captain Manny have drag out. Forklift, take out my toolbox. That's right, I quit. It was a good job. I love it. Everything was perfect, 100%. I love it, but the money was just not there, guys. This is more like for local people, which I'm from Arizona, but it was like almost 3 hours from my house, so I had to park my RV close by, and it wasn't cheap, and I couldn't find a cheap parking spot. So I worked for 3 months. I want to give a shout out to my homeboy Carlos. He was the one that got me this job pretty much. You know, he told, hey Captain, let's go test. I was like, damn, let's go. We practiced for this test. I put the description right here. We did a 6G, and everything was perfect, 100%. But just the money is not there, guys. If you're a local welder in Tucson, there's a lot of work. This company has a lot of work. All my co-workers there in Tucson, if you're watching this video, it was not you, it was me. You guys were good hard work workers. Everything was good, everything was perfect, 100%. Alright. My last welds were a 1/2-inch weldolets. If you follow me on Instagram, I put some pictures of that in the video. That was my last welds for this project. I was using the Miller machine. I did a review about this welding machine. It's a pretty good machine. It has TIG. You can do TIG, MIG, everything stick. I'll put a link in the description right here so you can watch that video if you want for this welding machine. It's a pretty good welding machine, guys. But yeah, guys, I weld 6-inch pipe, 2-inch, 1/2-inch weldolets, a lot of weldolets, repairs. They did a hydro, x-ray, everything was perfect, 100%. Alright, so this job is almost done. I would say it's almost complete. You have like 30 welds left, which whoever weld them, you know, not like 2-3 weeks maybe max. Alright guys, but other than that, guys, have my trailer hooked up to my truck already. A lot of work coming up north, that's what I heard, so that's where we're going. So stay tuned for more videos coming up. Stay safe out there. God bless, and I'll see you next time. Alright, adios.